Hi guys, I am Advocate Lalit Ajmani and today we are going to talk about three important points of a will. The first point would be the introduction meaning of a will and whether you need to have a will or not. The second will be what you need to take care of while drafting a will or while writing down a will and about its execution and probate. The last part will be regarding the registration of a will and whether it is necessary to have a registered will or not. So beginning with the first part of the video, that is the basics of a will. So will is nothing but a statement by a person about the transfer of his rights upon his properties to some other person after his or her death. For example, if I write my will and if I say that Mr. X after my death will get the rights upon my properties which I currently possess. Now the will may have about the description about the immovable as well as movable properties. Further, a person can have more than one will. The last and the most important thing is that will can only be executed or the will can only be relied upon by somebody else after the death of the testator, that is the maker of a will. Now the second point as to what we need to consider the important points of a will, the very first important point is the executor of a will. Now in most of the scenarios when a will is not drafted by a professional, a lot of people commit this mistake that they do not add or they do not describe about the executor of a will. For example, if I transfer my rights to three different people and if I do not name any person or any fourth person as the executor of a will, then it may become very cumbersome for the three transferees who have received their rights by my will as to how they will get or how the execution of the will may happen. And that is why the executor comes into picture. It is the duty of that executor to take care and to execute the will according to the terms and condition as mentioned in the will. So it's very important as well as it eases off the process about the execution of a will. In some states, the probate of will is necessary. Therefore, the aspect of executor or having an executor helps a lot. Now probate in short is nothing but a statement by a court stating that whatever is written in a will is correct and the court has not received any objections, or if the objections has been received by a court, the court has duly considered all the objections and has given its assent about the contents of a will. Now in a state of Delhi, the probate of will is not necessary, but as I stated earlier that it depends upon state to state. In some state probate is necessary, in some state probate is not necessary. Further, in my own opinion, a will needs to be drafted by a professional because a professional can remove various future possible conflicts which the people may face. In my personal experience, I have seen that a will is being challenged in a court of law merely because of some ambiguity which could have removed if the will was drafted in a better manner, I can say. So always spend some nominal amount for drafting of a will because it will save a lot of time, efforts and money of your legal heirs and the last part of this video is the registration of a will. The good thing is that registration of will is not compulsory. A person may not get his or her will registered and it is perfectly legally valid in the eyes of law. However, it is always advisable if you can see that there may be some possible conflict in future among your legal heirs to get your will registered, because it's always difficult to challenge the contents of a registered will compared to an unregistered will. Further, if you get your will registered, it will save a lot of energy as well as a lot of time in order to prove the contents of a will by your legal heir. So if you have time and if you have some apprehension that your legal heirs may end up having some dispute regarding the contents of a will, then it's always advisable to get your will registered. Further, registration of a will does not mean the probate of a will. Always remember this thing, as we have already covered in the previous part of the video, that the probate of will depends upon state to state. But even if you get your will registered and if you reside in a state where the probate of will is compulsory, even then you need to get your registered will probate by a court, and then after securing the probate you can execute and you can get the execution of a will in your favor or in the favor of your legal heirs. So I believe that we have covered all the important points regarding the will, regarding the registration, drafting, and a probate of will. I really hope this video has cleared some doubt regarding the will, and let's meet in some other video about some other important topic. Till then, bye bye. Have a good night.